Hey, what's going on today, YouTube? Remotion in motion with the rebranding. We back at it again like we never left. Today, what we're going to be getting into is snatching off this front bumper. Took a little bit of a hiatus. Some things have happened as a cliffhanger. I already got some new wheels, or my old wheels, so stay tuned for that. Before we get into it, go ahead and like and subscribe if you haven't already for more G80 and LS430 content. Even if you don't want to see me, just go ahead, throw a like, greatly appreciate it. We're gonna go ahead and snatch this off today, and this is an absolute must for anybody who is doing a front mount intake ducts, grill, etc. This is almost a necessity for this platform. With that being said, since it compounds so many different installations, this is just gonna be one segment, so it's digestible. I know we're a TikTok generation, so we gotta stay short format for attention, but you know, I'm here with you, I'm working with you. I've done this 3 times. This has been pre-recorded, so this was like my first time removing it, but 3 times, I don't have to look at the footage again. Once you see this, you should be fine. We're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. Get these out, the 10s. 1, 2, 3. Some people take the wheel off, I'm not. Work your way up from this bottom. Start prying it. Starts to kind of give way. 2 8mm, one right there and one right on the other side of this block. Now we're gonna use an extension with a wobble. So this is everything on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the pan. I'm gonna go ahead, start the car up, turn this way to the left, get more clearance through the other side. You really don't need a jack for this or anything, so we're gonna get these bolts out. They're all 10s unless they are different size for your model. I think it depends on year. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the middle are gonna be the 10s. And then respective sides, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3 clips. So do the math, this is just for one side, and we're gonna get those off. That's gonna be the whole bottom release. So we got this panel free. Before we make any other movements, there are some more harnesses we gotta remove, but before I do that, pop the hood.
Pop the hood? Pop the hood.
And we're gonna go ahead, pop these off the trims. There's some T30s underneath here, and we're gonna pop that off. Get a trim removal tool, pop these up. Just flip that back like that. T30s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 over here. If you can see that 8 right on that corner. Go ahead, take them off, and then we'll be ready to remove this. Slightly important to note these right here on the ends, respectively, are a little bit smaller washer. I don't see you having too much issues if you mismatch it, but just be mindful. So I look real closely on the connectors on each side. I got 1 temperature gauge and 2 this pigtail right here, big harness on my finger. Depending on your equipment, you might have a little bit more, but I counted 2 on this side. And if we go over here, I count none. You can see inside of there. I see none, so we should be good to get that out the way. I'll make an edit if not, but I have a base comp. I do not have the camera in the front for parking assist or the active cruise control, so that might simplify it. Keep that in mind. All right, so now that everything's free, we're just gonna wiggle it out. Solo one-man band, just take your time, watch the technique. So it's all off. I must say, it looks a little menacing, but here we are in the lab. That's it for today, y'all. Appreciate y'all watching. Go ahead and lock in for parts 2 or 3 or whatever it may be, but this is a baseline that can help you out even if you're not interested in the extra segments. So this has been another one, Remotion in Motion again, and we will be back with more content. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Take care.